Just want to take a video of my knife collection. Here are my CRKT M16 series. The 01KZ, the 01Z, the 10KZ. There's two 10Zs there, another 01KZ, excuse me. Yep, that's a 01KZ. There's a 10S. And we have more Columbia River knives. There's the M2112G, a Ripple aluminum. And I have 13 series knives here. That's the ZR, you can't get that anymore. And the 13Z, you can still buy that, it's not discontinued. There's the 13FD, good luck finding one of those. Mount Rainier, discontinued. And my 5 Spydercos, that's a native. The Black Blade, Delica 4 full flat grind, VG10, a Delica 4 VG10 with the hollow grind and combo edge, and my 2 Dragonfly 2s, sorry. Anyway, that's my knife collection so far. My folders anyway. I've got fixed blades, so. Yep, that's it.